Here's how to install a 100% complete save file in Red Dead Redemption 2 on PC. Go to nexusmods.com and search for RDR2 Save Game 100%. The top result is Ultimate RDR2 Game Saves by Dinera, which is the most complete and reliable option. The link is in the description. Go to the Files tab and click Manual Download on the 100% save file. Save it to your Downloads folder. Before installing anything, back up your existing save file. You will lose your current progress if you do not. Once you have a backup, extract the downloaded zip file and copy the save file inside it. Navigate to Documents, then Rockstar Games, then Red Dead Redemption 2, then Profiles. Open the folder with the random alphanumeric name. That is your profile folder. Paste the 100% save file there, replacing the existing one. Launch RDR2, open the pause menu, go to Story, then Load Game, and select the 100% save. You will see all accomplishments unlock in the top right corner. Go to Progress to confirm Story, Compendium, and Challenges are all showing 100% completion. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.